Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best cricket kit bag is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked pieces of equipment for any cricketer, from weekend warriors to seasoned professionals. A good cricket kit bag will keep your precious cricket gear organized, protected from the elements, and easily transportable to and from the pitch, ensuring you're always ready for your next match or practice session. Choosing the right one can significantly impact your game experience. Number 5. SS Original Full Cricket Kit. It's time to take your game to the next level. This complete kit has everything you need to dominate the pitch. This bat is crafted from the finest cashmere willow, providing exceptional power and precision. Feel the difference from the first swing. It includes a thigh guard, abdominal guard, helmet, batting gloves, and leg guards. Your safety is our priority. Keep it all organized and protected with the included durable kit bag. Transport your equipment with ease. This kit is specifically designed for men's sizes, ensuring a comfortable and secure fit. Get ready to play your best game. From bat to protective gear, it's all here in one convenient package. You'll have everything you need to hit the field running. What we like. It's a comprehensive kit including a cashmere willow bat, perfect for men. If you need everything in one go and prefer a high-quality bat, this is the set for you. This is an excellent choice for beginners or those upgrading their equipment. What people say. Exactly as advertised. Note that the bat is cashmere willow but does the job as a solid practice bat. Everything else, leg pads, thigh guard, bag, is match quality. Number 4. RSD Spark Cricket Kit. It's time to up your game. This complete cricket kit has everything you need to dominate the pitch. Experience the power and precision of a handcrafted cashmere willow bat. It's designed for superior performance and durability. From leg guards to abdominal and thigh pads, it provides comprehensive protection, so you can focus on your game. The included bag features customized zippers, multiple bat sleeves, and easy access design. It makes transporting your gear a breeze. With its 2 smooth rolling wheels, this bag offers superior traction and control, making it easy to maneuver. The bag's comfortable PP tape grip handle ensures a secure and comfortable hold during transport. What we like. This kit boasts a convenient EasyPack bag and offers fast delivery. If you value convenience and speed, this option is ideal. It's perfect for players who need their equipment quickly and easily. What people say. Best cricket kit. I got some extra stuff too. Arrived very fast. Number 3. SS Camo Duffle Cricket Kit Bag. It's lightweight and stylish, perfect for carrying all your cricket gear. It features an eye-catching camo design that will turn heads on and off the field. It's made from durable, weather-resistant materials to keep your equipment safe and dry. It has plenty of room for your bat, pads, helmet, and other essentials. The comfortable shoulder straps and special bat holder make it easy to carry. It's the perfect blend of style and functionality for the modern cricketer. What we like. It features a stylish, weather-resistant design with ample storage. If you prioritize protection and style, this bag is for you. It's perfect for players who want a durable and attractive bag to carry their equipment. What people say. The SS Camo Duffle Cricket Kit Bag in its striking green color is an absolute winner for cricket enthusiasts. This bag provides ample space to accommodate all my cricket gear, and the camo design adds a stylish edge. The duffel style makes it convenient to carry, and the durability of the bag ensures my equipment stays safe. Very roomy. In hindsight, could have added a zipper at the bottom so the items in the bag could be accessed from the top and the bottom. I love the 2 individual zippered pockets for miscellaneous storage. Seems sturdy. Really spacious and comfortable to wear. Plus it looks awesome. Number 2. SS Cricket Camo Kit Bag. This stylish and durable bag is perfect for carrying all your cricket gear. Its camouflage design is both fashionable and practical. It has plenty of room for your bat, pads, helmet, and other essentials. You'll never have to worry about running out of space again. Made from high-quality materials, it's built to withstand the rigors of regular use. It will last you for many seasons to come. It features multiple pockets and compartments for easy organization. Keep your gear neatly stored and easily accessible. The camouflage pattern is both eye-catching and understated. It's a great way to show your love for the game. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this bag is a must-have. It's the perfect companion for all your cricket adventures. What we like. This lightweight camo duffel is built to last. If you prefer a durable, lightweight bag, this is a great option. It's suitable for players who value both durability and ease of transport. What people say. It's got plenty of space for your equipment, ball storage and 2 adult-size bats. Enough space for 2 pair of pads, bats, 1 helmet, thigh guard, a compartment for gloves and shoes as well. Best quality material. Sufficient space for batting and keeping kit. Number 1. SS Cricket Blue Duffle Kit. This versatile bag is perfect for carrying all your sports gear. Its durable design ensures it can withstand the rigors of travel and daily use. The eye-catching blue camo pattern makes it stand out from the crowd. It's a great way to express your personal style. Prefer a more classic look? It also comes in a sophisticated green color option. It offers ample space for all your equipment, and its clever design makes it easy to organize everything. Carry it comfortably as a duffel bag or use the included backpack straps for hands-free convenience. It's the ultimate in versatility. This bag is designed to fit everyone's needs. It's the perfect size for athletes of all levels. What we like. This bag is available in multiple colors and can be used as a backpack or duffel. If you need a versatile bag that suits your style, this is the one. It's perfect for players who want a convenient and stylish way to carry their equipment. What people say. Very good quality as expected. As per listing, and the item arrived quickly packaged well. This product is very good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.